How does Dr. Van Tharp say that traders can distinguish justified confidence versus misplaced confidence? This is Bill Scheid from Applied Finance Research, and that's the question we're going to answer in this video. In the book, Market Wizards, author Jack Schwager asked Dr. Tharp, how does the less expert trader distinguish between justified and misplaced confidence? And in his answer, Dr. Tharp lays out a number of the traits of the top traders around the world that he studied and modeled that gave them justified confidence. And the first one is that many of the top traders he modeled began with an extensive study of the markets. That's one of the elements of justified confidence, and we could contrast that with someone who's less expert, perhaps with misplaced confidence. They may have confidence, but they don't necessarily study the markets. Dr. Tharp said that top traders developed and refined trading systems, whereas if we compare that with a novice trader, perhaps they have confidence, but they don't have systems or they don't employ systems thinking. Dr. Tharp also said that justified confidence of top traders comes from extensive mental rehearsal, mentally practicing how they are going to execute their systems, what actions they are going to take in the market. And we could compare that with misplaced confidence. Perhaps a trader has confidence, but they don't engage in mental rehearsal. Dr. Tharp also said that justified confidence comes from extensive systems research, researching one system forward and backwards, understanding how it performs, how it responds to various market conditions, understanding it inside out, forward and backwards, versus having confidence but not engaging in systems research and not fully understanding, not fully researching the systems that you're trading. And finally, Dr. Tharp said that justified confidence comes from having a high level of commitment versus having confidence but no commitment. I think two interesting ways Dr. Tharp distinguishes commitment. The first is, he says, are you learning from your mistakes or are you repeating your mistakes, which he also defines as self-sabotage. And he also asks, are you doing a dance with your obstacles and using them as an excuse not to move forward, or are you just going around them and continuing forward anyway? In the book, Dr. Tharp says, finally, if a trader has confidence but nothing else, they are probably in trouble. So this is an excellent, powerful checklist for any trader, any investor who wants to trade with conviction without falling into the trap of hubris or overconfidence. This is Bill Scheid from Applied Finance Research. Thank you very much for watching and happy investing.